Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the 5 most meaningless spots, like areas in Prodigy, so let's get on to it. Starting at number 1 is the Academy Archives. Don't get mad at me for this, but you don't really get anything good from doing the archives. They did add the Academy rules, but still these aren't that great. They're like or epic overall, so they're like give you 6 health bonus. Not great, or at least I'm pretty sure it does that. So yeah, next on the list we have Daviday Oasis. Now this spot, like, it's another spot where you don't really get anything good from it. Oh, and also, sorry, my voice sounds weird. I'm kind of sick right now. So yeah, but so the only really good thing about this spot is a little bit of the furniture, like the pets, and so the only really good pet is actually Pterosaur, and that's a legendary pet, buddy. These aren't great. Like, these don't really help you at all, but you have to buy a shovel with 300 to actually play it. And one of the reasons why I don't think this is a very great spot is because you barely get anything out of it. So, like, if we do this, like, most of the time you're just gonna get colds anyways, so. Okay, so since we actually found one, let's see what we get. The longer it takes, normally the better it is. So yeah, all we got was copper coins. See, so they don't really give you anything good from this. It's just a waste of 200 gold coins. Honestly, in my opinion. Like, you're not gonna get 200 gold coins back. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip the rest of this. And okay, yeah, so we finished. All we got was 2 copper coins. Yeah, so that's all we got. We lost 100 gold coins for doing that. So that is one of the reasons why I think this is not a very good place. Like, all you do is just collect fossils that don't help with anything. I mean, they look nice, but they aren't really going to help you with anything. Okay, so now that we've done Daviday Oasis, we might as well go and talk about our next one, which is Tech Y4. I'm not actually sure what it's called, but you use your Tech Y4 in it. So this is another one that's a waste. You don't really get any good armor out of it. I guess I'll try and find armor for you guys, but it's not very good. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, it's just 4 and 4 heart bonus. So yeah, it's not that great. So yeah. Okay, so now that we've gotten that one out of the way, we might as well go to our next spot, which is right up here. And this spot, they were saying that they were gonna add stuff here for a long time, but they never did. Like here, it would just say something's coming soon, but then they never added anything. So that's why I'm putting it on 2 on this list, even though it's not really an area in the game. And now you're probably wondering, how can somewhere with nothing not be? Why is something that has nothing at the number 2 spot? And that is because of Tower Town. Tower Town is absolutely the worst thing in the game. I would not like to see anything. So basically you're never able to use the slingshot because your whatever thingies are never awake. Yeah, like, all of mine disappear. The Infinity Tower is always closed. You never get anything from doing this. You just get to make people happy, I guess. There's no armor for this. So it's just a waste of time unless you want to do the game for math. which most people don't do the game for math. Like, they don't like the math in it, they just are forced to. So yeah, the spot is basically meaningless to the game. It's just a big waste of time. I wasted my time doing it when it first came out. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. That's basically gonna end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.